Hey everybody, so welcome to my bathroom. Haven't renovated this room yet. And my daughter and I share this room. And when it comes to decluttering your bathroom, again, declutter with your style in mind. Because I've watched a ton of decluttering videos online, and the common theme is to have everything have its place. Fold efficiently. Uh, have a bin, have a shelf for sweaters. That does not work for me. I do not fold anything. I throw it in bins, including sweaters and jeans and stuff like that. The only thing that stays unwrinkled is stuff I put on a hanger. Same kind of philosophy when it comes to my bathroom. There is no way in the world I'm ever going to have the personality to have a spot for everything. I have such a squirrel-like world that as soon as I do one thing, I'm on the next thing. So you will never see a lipstick cap because as soon as I put a lipstick on, I'm like, pew, onto something else. Or when I walk into a kitchen of a friend's house, like if I'm babysitting, within 10 minutes, every cabinet is open and every drawer is open because as soon as I get something out of the cabinet, I don't even have the time to or the patience to close the cabinets. So when it comes to makeup, my daughter brings her makeup into the bathroom and then promptly takes it out in her little bag because she knows that I'm a slob and she would never want her makeup near mine. So that's a good solution. But for me, I'll throw my makeup on and then I pull out this little tray that is underneath my sink and I go ploop, 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 whatever else is up there. Ploop. And then I take this and I scoot it under there where no one can see it. And voila, decluttered. I just hide my clutter. So, solve the problem, be realistic, and go with your style. And you're going to create a system that works in your house. And ploop. Yes, I've been cutting my own hair. I'm heading off to the hairdressers now. Ploop. I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.